Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have VECHAIN daily update, so we are going to see some important support, resistance levels and make a price prediction. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. Only 50 people can join in because I want to give everyone the time needed, and you will get an automated system with selling and buying opportunities. You will know exactly when to sell and exactly when to buy your altcoins. You will also get educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and personal guidance. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. You will also find link in the description for the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. So we are going now to see some important things about VECHAIN. First of all, I don't like this price action right here. I'm not saying that we are going all the way down. I'm just saying we need to figure out some important support levels before we get in again. So we have the 11.1 around there cents. We have, of course, the 10.3. I have drawn my Fibonacci retracement from this bottom on 12th August, ending up to the top on 16th. And the reason is I wanted to find major support levels as we might go down. And here we are going down. Okay. If I wanted to find some important resistance levels for the short term, then I will delete all of this and I will draw one Fibonacci for now up to the top to this, from this top to the bottom right here. Okay, so we got the 12 cents, 12.4 to 12.5, and you can see we have one more resistance level at the 12.8 to 13. Okay. So we have these as resistance levels. In case we can't go above the 12 cents, we won't be able to go to the 12.5. And then we might be going down to this support level as well, the 10.4, in case we lose this one right here. It is the bottom right there, of course. And if we lose the 10.4 to 10.5, then we might be going to 9.7. We will see all of this in the price analysis. Right now, let's see the MACD. The MACD isn't looking good. You can see we lost some important support levels. The only good part is that we didn't go so much down. We didn't correct like I'd expect to. But anyway, it isn't the right time to trade right now. Okay. So you can see that the moving average of the volume is very, very good. We had an increasing volume, but right now we have an increasing volume, but a red bar. That means, guys, we have huge sell pressure. Sell pressure is huge, and the sellers take place in the trades and they push the price downwards. Okay, so let's go a little bit to the VECHAIN on the 4-hour frame to see some important things. We are in an oversold on the stochastic RSI. We are in an oversold on the commodity channel index, and you will say here that, Bill, okay, we have 2 out of 3 risk metrics that are in an oversold. Is it enough? No, it is not enough. Sometimes you have to see the patterns. So here we have some lower low, lower high pattern on the RSI, and therefore we need to wait till we see where we go. We might be able to go even down from the 30. That will mean we will lose some important support levels if we do that. Okay, so we have to be a little bit careful right now. Let's go to the VECHAIN on the daily frame. On the daily frame, we were riding all the way the top line of the Bollinger bands because we had an impulsive wave. Right now we are going a little bit down. We had an impulsive wave mostly on the 4-hour frame, not on the daily frame, because if it is about to get into an impulsive wave, we will need a pattern that we follow like this, where we go around there on the daily, then we go upwards. Okay, if we do the pattern like this, then yes, VECHAIN can go even higher. We will discuss about the next price targets as well. For now, you should be a little bit careful. Okay, you should be a little bit careful. On the stochastic RSI, we are going into an oversold. On the daily frame for the other indexes, we are not. Okay, so let's see the, apart from the Bollinger bands, let's go to the SSL HYBRID a little bit. We had a buying opportunity right here. You can see the blue arrow is selling opportunity there. You can see the red arrow for the SSL HYBRID. And now we are going a little bit downwards. Okay, we are going a little bit downwards. We don't have, of course, a buying opportunity. We couldn't have a buying opportunity right here on the daily frame. So according to the SSL HYBRID, yes, we do not know yet. We might have a bearish cross between the blue line and the signal line on the MACD on the daily frame, but that won't mean we are going all the way down, right? We need a further decrease, and we need to go further down in order to confirm that we have a bearish moment for VECHAIN. Let's go to VECHAIN Bitcoin chart, and you can see that we found huge sell pressure. We might be going further and further down for now. We hit the minus 0. I think it's 1.5, the 1.5 resistance level right here, and then we went all the way downwards. Okay, so eventually you will see how we could find resistance levels. If you draw from this top to this bottom, we were finding resistance levels, important resistance levels, as we were going upwards, and we had the 1.236, 1.38 to 1.55 as our major resistance levels, and you can see that we went to 1.5 around this area. We couldn't close above, therefore we corrected, and now we are correcting a little bit for VECHAIN Bitcoin chart. You can see that 2 out of 3 risk metrics are in an oversold. It looks identical to the USDT, although the RSI is getting lower highs. Okay, so this is what I don't want to see. If we go down all the way below 30, we will lose some important support levels, but we will have actually a buying opportunity as well. All right. So therefore, let's go to the daily frame a little bit. I want to be quick on the VECHAIN Bitcoin charts because I don't want to stick around there for so long. I want to go to price analysis. But anyway, on the daily frame, looks like we are falling a little bit and we are going all the way down. For now, we haven't secured anything. It isn't like we will get a bearish moment that we go all the way down below the bottom we had on 21st July, but of course we should be careful. I'm not saying that we will go all the way down. I'm just saying for now we should be careful because there are many possibilities that we might be getting down. If you want me to find some important support levels, I will draw from this bottom up to this top, and you can see that we sit at the 0.382 for now, and if we lose that support level, we will be going to the 0.618 as well. 0.50 is 234. This is a major support level. You get this price label because you divide VECHAIN's price to Bitcoin's price, so you get to know VECHAIN price analysis, and we are here, guys. And of course we will be seeing if we can hold the 11.2, because if we can't, then we might be going further and further down. Okay, before I had the resistance levels and the support levels. So here I draw the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom to find some important resistance levels in case we go a little bit and have a little bit of a swing high right here. So we have the 12 cents around there. If we make this as support level, we are going to 12.5. If we make this as a support level, then we are going to 12.8 around there. Okay. So these are our major resistance levels, and they will work out perfectly. You will see what I mean in the technical analysis. They will work out perfectly. If we are about to get down from the 11, then I will tell you exactly where are we going. We are going to the next support level, which is the 10.5 around there. We might be going to the 9.7, 9.8 around this area to 9.1. Anyway, 10 cents, around 9.6 to 10 cents. Okay, we might be going around this area, but for now you should be able to identify some important support levels. The most important one is the 10.5 for me, and the most important resistance level is the 12.8, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. Of course, as you know, if we don't get above the 13.7, we don't minimize the risk. But that is because the 0.786 plays an important role if we want to surpass our previous high. Okay, in case you want to find the next price targets, we have the 15 around 0.1, 15.6 as our next targets. You can see that it was our support level, our previous high back on 4th June, and we have one more at 16 cents. Okay, so we have those three next price targets. In case we surpass the 13.7, you minimize the risk, then we are going there. Okay, I'm telling you exactly what to do, not a financial advice, but according to my personal experience, you should tell the audience what they should be doing. You need to be specific. If you know technical analysis, then you need to be specific. You don't want to mess around by telling that it might go, it might not. No, if we minimize the risk, if we go to the 13.7, we minimize the risk, and therefore from 13.7, we will go for sure to 15.1 around there. We might be going afterwards to 15.6 and 16. Our X targets, you can see what swing trade you can do: 10%, 13 to 14%, and 16 to 17%. Okay, and in case we go down from 11.2, we are going to 10.5. I am just a little bit scared of this huge sell pressure. It looks like a shooting star. Of course, it is not, because we are not in an uptrend and we saw this, but we had a huge sell pressure. Bitcoin, of course, is not something that we should be trading right now, because even though that we have the commodity channel index and the stochastic RSI below the in an oversold situation, we have the commodity channel index with lower highs. We have the RSI with some lower highs. Therefore, yes, we should be waiting a little bit, guys. We should be waiting a little bit. Okay, so before you trade your VECHAIN, wait. Before you want, if you have bought around here, you should be holding. Do not sell in a loss. If you sell in a loss, that's the only way you lose something. If you are patient, it will go above the previous high right here, the previous high of 14.4 around there. We formed back on 16 August. Of course, it will go above. So if you bought around this area, please just wait. And if you haven't sold yet, just wait a little bit till we go upwards. Okay, before we close the video, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. You will learn you will learn actually technical analysis through educational videos, automated system to know exactly when to buy and when to sell. You will find the link in the description down below. You will also find the link for the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.